මේමනින්නේ. Do you have ever seen other animal which stand like a human? Just don't say me. වඳුරා ඉන්නව නේද සමහර වෙලාවට ගෝරිල්ලා ඉන්නව නේද සමහර වෙලාවට ගෝරිල්ලයි මිනිහයි අතර වෙනසක් තියෙනවා උන් ඇවිදින්නේ මෙහෙමනේ. So is there any same type of animal did you ever seen? I think I am not seen. Okay, I am now around 30 years of average, around 30. Within my life experience, I have not seen such an animal. Okay, all other animals are stand in horizontal manner. මිනිහා මෙහෙම හිටන් ඉන්නකොට අනිත් සත්තු මෙහෙම ඉන්නේ. නාගයා මෙහෙම නේ, අනිත් සත්තු මෙහෙම. ඔක්කොමලා එහෙමනේ. Okay. Only people stands in upright way. Okay, that is a speciality. So we can say rationally this law of natural, or we can simply say natural law is giving some natural power to these human beings. Human being is one and only animal, okay, who can think in very good rational mindset. තාම හොඳින් තාර්කිකව තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් තාර්කික දැනුමක් තියෙන එකම සත්වයා තමයි මේ human beings. Okay, other animals, yes, some animals are having certain but not up like human beings. So naturally we have given a certain power to control this world. Is that we had to accepted that. Okay, without any arguments, human beings are the animal who controls this world. They are the party, they are the animals. Human beings are only the animal who is having a culture, different types of culture. Human beings are the only party who have a religious, different types of aspects, different types of beliefs. So naturally we have been given a certain power, certain responsibility. That is actual human value. That is the human value. We need to look on that power. අපි ඒ බලය හරියට පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕනේ. But question is, are we using that power in proper way? Okay, we are having the land, but we have go for the water. We have going with the air. We cannot fly. Human beings cannot fly, but we have prepared aeroplanes, rockets. We are even moving with the other worlds too. It's okay. We cannot swim in well like fish, but we are having some equipments to do that because of our knowledge. That is the main value which we got. But we have, as a human beings, are we using our values in proper way? Why these countries are having wars? Why always there are environmental pollutions? Always we are troubling to each other. Is that even me? Yes, I am having one religion, you are having one religion, I am having a different culture, you also having a different culture. It as like that each and every person in the world are having different cultures, different aspects, different mindsets. Okay. So are we all valuing all those aspects? අපිට හිතන දේවල් පුතේ ඔක්කොම කරන්න බෑ. නමුත් ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා. නමුත් අපිට අයිතියක් තියෙනවා. We are having the rights to perform in our own thinking pattern. Okay. To respect all those thinking patterns is the human value. Okay. Not only the between humans, the මමයි ඔය අතර නෙමෙයි. ඔයා මේ උගන්නන ඔයා මේ ඉන්නකොට අපි අවට තියෙන පරිසරය, the trees, the animals, because human beings are the controlling party of this natural world. Law of natural, as I say again and again, law of natural, not the Tesavalame law, not the Udarata law, not the Muslim law, the law of natural. Simply the natural law has given a power to human beings, has given a certain responsibility to human beings to control this world, to control this earth. Are we doing this? We need to think from our own mind. If we are doing that, I think if we are doing, all the human beings are working according to the law of natural, environmental pollution should not be happen. The wars among the parties, among the countries, among the groups should not be happen. If there are any type of wars, if there are any type of environmental pollutions, that means human beings are not following the natural law. Any type of law, as I said, it can be Tesavalame, it can be Udarata law, it can be Sri Lankan general law, it can be Muslim law. Any type of law belongs to that, under that natural law.